Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your Barclays online banking. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, just type www.barclays.com and just hit the enter. It will take you to the homepage of Barclays. And on your top right of your screen, you can see the online banking. Just click on online banking. Now you can see the login form over here. Here you can choose how would you like to log in. You can either choosing membership number, card number, or sort code and account number. If you choose membership number, type your last name and 12 digit of membership number and just click on continue button. You'll access your Barclays online banking account. If you forgot your membership number, just click on don't know your membership number. Then you will be recover your membership number. Just click on remember my last name and login method for further use. Similarly, you can log in from your card number. Just type your last name, 16 digit of card number and just hit the continue. And also from sort code and account number. Enter your last number over here and sort code and your account number over here. Then just hit the continue, you will be able to access your account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for review and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.